Hi, I'm Tison King with ICI, Florida's custom home builder. Today, I'd like to talk to you about one of our showcase move-in ready homes located in ICI's newest master plan gated community, Woodhaven, located in sunny Port Orange, Florida. Today we're going to talk about the Santa Maria in coastal elevation, one of the Santa Maria's most desired elevations. When you visit the Santa Maria in Woodhaven, some of the notable features you'll notice are stained handrails from the first all the way up to the second floor, a 3-car garage, a first floor master suite, and an extended rear lanai. Some additional enhanced features you'll notice in the Santa Maria include tray ceiling in the gathering room, a tray ceiling in the master suite, as well as a bay window and a deluxe shower in the master bath. Please stop by Woodhaven today. We'd love to meet you and help you become one of the newest members of the ICI Home family.